today we're headed out down to Janesville. We have to pick up some parts for our combine. So we got back from getting the parts. I had to get a seal and then a bolt. There's a gearbox underneath the unloading auger, and I had to get the seal for this underneath the sprocket. I'll show it to you guys when we get up there, but we're about to put it on. I'm just gonna walk in here and hitch the 215 up to the green card. We're probably gonna start combining tomorrow. Hopefully we can get rocking and rolling on that. Didn't quite get a three-pointer. Usually something you always have to screw around with. Usually we have the hammer strap on, and then we'll have the other pin that fits into the hammer strap, but we took that off because this was on the planter and we never put it back on, so hopefully I can get it through. Yep, we're good. So here's the gearbox. So this sprocket here runs off this chain and turns this sprocket, and then this turns the up auger and then runs the unloading auger. There's a seal in here. I don't know, you can see that that's new. That seal is bad, so we had to take the sprocket off here. Reason that is probably somehow there was water that got in there and it sat for a while. I ruined the seal. What we were having issues with, there's actually a bearing underneath that is actually bad, but we don't have time to wait for the part to come in, and it should be okay just to get us through this year. One of the things is that I think caused this just to plain go out is that we have added 3 extra feet to the auger, and there's a lot more weight and there's a lot more going through there. So it adds a little extra stress. So we're going to try to have the bulk of this stuff done by tomorrow. We don't know if we're going to get started. We might just go tomorrow afternoon and just, slight start to stuff. But the ground is still going to be real wet, or we don't know. We're going to kind of go around and check that tonight. But alright, we got the gearbox on. I just got to tighten it up. So we're going to go over and check some corn moisture, see where some of our longer day corn is at. We got some 106 day that we're going to test against a 102 day variety. So we're going to go over, check the moisture on that, see where we're at and how close. And then we're going to run over and check the soybeans that we're possibly starting on tomorrow, just to see mainly the ground, because the beans are probably ready right now. It's just the ground. We just got done having 6 inches of rain, so but it's been dry for the last couple of days here, so it's nice to see sunshine again. Alright, so we're just up here now. I'm gonna walk in a little bit. So we're about 3/4 of the way on our first test set of So this is old, so we're gonna have to kind of play with it a little bit. Oops. .517 is 19.6%. So that's a lot lower than I thought it was gonna be. So the 538 is at 23.6%. Really, that's still a lot drier. I was kind of afraid that it was gonna get really wet. So it's the next day. I'm gonna end the video here and start up a new one. We're just doing the finishing touches on the combine here. We gotta reset the drain head platform, and then we should be all set and ready to rock and roll. Hopefully we're gonna start today. We just got word that the farm is ready to rock and roll, so I'm gonna clean up here a little bit, and we're gonna finish up the last few things. We got some new lights or LED lights ordered for these here, because these covers are broke. There's one side on each side and it's broke, so we just ordered new ones and got LEDs. We gotta put those on, gotta pretty much cover up or patch everything back together. It should take the rest of the morning here just to get it done, and then set the drain head and ready to rock and roll. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to stay tuned for the next one. We should be combining in the next video, so look forward to that, and we'll talk in the next one. Catch you guys later.